Same old story. Same equipment. Same failures. This isn't grinding. This is surrender. Yeah.
Jason, everything's breaking down over here, man. Line 3's choking. We need you.
I'll handle it.
They say you can fix a mill just by looking at it.
They exaggerate.
Are they?
We'll see. Your products.
This is consistent. Perfectly consistent.
Precision always is.
My equipment's half the cost of yours.
So is its lifespan.
Customers don't care about that.
They will when it fails. At the worst possible time.
Okay.
In a world full of breakdowns, one man doesn't fix equipment. He fixes everything.
Thank you for saving our plant.
You need better equipment.
You know, you're nothing like they say you are.
They say a lot of things. You don't need luck. You need better equipment.